Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. So first of all, I can log in into my WordPress website. Let me add wp-admin, and now here I need to add username and password. Then let me click on login button. So guys, here you can see I am logged in into my WordPress website, and in the WordPress dashboard we need to install a free plugin. So just we can go in plugin sections and install a new plugin. So you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. And here you can find out thousands of free WordPress plugins and then search with the keyword WP Ghost. So now let me scroll down, and here you will find out a plugin. Here you can see 2 lakh plus active installations with 4.9 ratings. Just you can install this plugin, and after that activate it. So all of these plugins are free and you can use one by one. Now scroll down, and on the left side here you can see this one. So first tab is overview, then change paths, tweaks, mapping, firewall, brute force, two-factor authentication, security check, backup, advanced plugins. So you can go and check one by one. So now I can skip activation, then click here run full security check. You can scroll down, and so now click here start scan, and it will take some time in scanning your website. So it depends upon website file size. So some of the websites that having large size, for those it can take some time. So here you can see past 26 and failed 13. Scroll down, and here you can see these are the plugin update issues. So I need to go in plugins and I need to update these plugins. So this is demo website, that's why it has some issues. And also you can see file permissions that you can go and fix in file manager. So these are available in cpanel settings, and here you can see these are the other issues. So you will get a complete report. After that, again if I click on overview button, and now scroll down, here you can see these are some features that are available in premium version. And here you can see two-factor authentication you can directly enable, brute force, firewall. So these features are enabled in the free version that you can easily enable and use them. So it also allows you enable copy paste protection. So And also here you can see disable right click. So these are the additional features. So guys, in this way you can easily protect your WordPress website free of cost.